section where we will visit our garden. So let's go. Now we are here from the beans. See a bean? I mean a bean flower. See a bean flower. And there's some beans. I found two. I will just get more and we will eat it. Bean. Bean. Hey, you get your bean. And the biggest bean is this. Looks like a mouth. Okay. Now we are here with pumpkins, spinach, and there's tomato. See? Look, there's chilies. See? Chilies. Now, can you tell me what this plant is? Chilies. Where's the chili? Hey, it's not growing yet. Oh, where's the lemon? There it is. See? This lemon tree is different from this one is really big. And this one, medium size, very small. And these are teeny tiny. And we are here with a lemon. A lemon. Yeah, lemon. So, where's in the tomato? See, a tomato, a baby tomato. And you can't eat it because it's a baby. Just put it here. Oops. No need that. Flour. And we're off to another. Yeah, another pomegranate. Wanna pick one? It's tasty.
Don't pick it.
Why? Okay. So we are in a radish. Wanna pick one? See? Radish. And put it back off. And here are done. We were this really heavy. I can't pick that heavy things. Of course I will. Here's done. Kind of dry. Now we are in a tomato garden. A tomato is a big tomato. And we are off to the brinjal. But just put it there. And here's a brinjal flower. Oh, this looks like a brinjal. See? Purple? Purple. A brinjal. 4. Ow! Spikes. A brinjal, a little brinjal. Oh, we are in a bottle gourd. White flower. And we are here in the mustard field. And flowers. See? Thousands of them. And it will grow into nice mustards. See a flower? See what is inside? Yellow. And here's the leaf. And nice, and there, see a leaf. The leaf, 4 of them. So this is all for today. Bye bye, tata, assalamualaikum. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to push the bell button. Assalamualaikum.